Good day, everyone. We, Mark Wesley Taberna, Benjamin Solomon, John Lloyd V. Singpet. We present to you our capstone project, how to review a mobile-based automotive NC2 reviewer app. Project highlights. The Auto Review, a mobile-based automotive test the NC2 reviewer app is an Android-based application designed for students and teachers of automotive NC2 that provides the following. The application provides information to the user about automotive from Tesla using text, videos, and images. The application has a pre-test and post-test feature. It provides a set of questions for the user to familiarize themselves with the lessons. The application contained the Automotive NC2 Self-Assessment Guide, came from Tesla, pre-test and post-test for the user to test and gain knowledge. Objectives of the project. The general objective of the project is to design and develop an application how to review a mobile-based automotive test the NC2 reviewer app for the students of Automotive NC2 that would provide the students a portable repository of automotive reviewer using their Android phone. Specifically aim the project to simulate the following system functionalities: reviewer for NC2 automotive, pre-test and post-test exam with timer, history of a high score. The application has a filter search and map of accredited automotive schools. Evaluate the mobile application using ISO 9126 in terms of the following: the usability and portability. Evaluate the user's perception as to the application is the information quality. The design and development of Auto Review, a mobile-based automotive NC2 test the reviewer app. The figure shows the design with the combination of colors within blue and green at the main screen. The application has a 6 menus: the service, automotive electrical components, service engine mechanical system, service under chassis system, service powertrain components, tools and equipment, and care and car maintenance. The application was designed using Apache Cordova, a mobile application framework, and it was developed through Visual Studio Code with the use of JavaScript, JSON, Hypertext Markup Language, the CSS or Cascading Style Sheet, and the main function of the application is it could be used as another educational tool in reviewing automotive NC2. The second objectives of the project is for the reviewer for NC2 automotive. For the first figure, it shows the list of various automotive lessons and topics so that the user may access all of the automotive topics on the same screen. The lessons are organized according to the unit competency provided by TESDA. The second figure shows the design for instructional reviewer of automotive using text images to easily understand the lessons, and one of the features of this reviewer is to allow the user increase and decrease the text and image for their better visibility. Through this function of the application allows the users to easily look for the topic and learn about the different lessons in automotive even without internet connection. For the third objective of the project is the pre-test and post-test examination. The figure shows the design and function of the pretest. Before starting the test, the user must follow the indicated rules, which will be shown in the second image. There are 50 questions on the exam, which will be shown in the third image, and the exam has a real-time scoring. If the user chooses the correct answer, the score will be added. Then after the exam is finished, the user must save their score and enter a username to specify their score which will be shown in the last image. To view their score results, which it will be shown in the next figure. So this functionality of the application is to test the user learning, to measure progress and encourage themselves to learn more about the topics and information provided by the application. And here's the post-test functionalities. Before the beginning of the test, the user must follow the rules outlined in the second image. The exam contains 50 questions as indicated in the third image, and it will display the real-time scoring. So if the user selects the proper answer, their score will be tallied. The user must save their score and enter a username to identify their score, which will be shown in the last image on the next figure provided. The process of the application is to allow the user to measure his or her understanding in improvement of knowledge gained in automotive NC2. And for the third objective of the project is to view the history of a high score to know the progress of the user. The figure shows
Makita na
the
dyan yung inang
design
nan
and
na, sumugod
functionalities
na nung
of the high
kadtungan.
score. Here, the user will know their progress if their score in post-test is much higher than to the pre-test score, so the user easily determine if they are ready to take and seal the exam. Through this functionality of the application, which the user
TikToker, di mo
finishes
makita.
answering the questions, the user can compare their score on pre-test and post-test ETR they pass or fail. Then the application prompt the user to take the exam again if they're not satisfied to their score.
Pakanan tao. Takam.
And for the fourth objective
Ganunin
of
na.
the project is the pre-test and post-test
Sila
has a
ipapu.
timer.
May kuha pa ajik eh.
So the figure shows
Paking
the
yung griring
functionalities of the
taparuning sa
exams
kuha.
are the timer. Both pre-test and post-test exams have a timer. The user has been given 30 minutes to answer all of the questions. If the time ends, then the exam will be terminated. With these functionalities of the application, the user learns more effectively when they learn to manage time in the right way. As it more quantifiable for them, they allocate study time and stick to it. This helps in effectively to develop their learning skills. And for the fifth objectives or last objective is the application has a filter search. The figure shows the search function, how the search function works. The first figure is where a user may enter desired search keyword on the application. Then the second image shows the related words on the search word, and for the last figure, choose the result of the search word of the
Ikatin na kita
user.
kahit
Through
tan,
this
basta kita
function
tanukan.
of the app, the user can easily find the lesson to a certain
Tumaba ka
topic
tatikay
by just
ka tan
easily
eh.
typing the keyword. And last objective, really sixth objectives po siya, for mapping accredited automotive schools. So the figure shows the design and function and for how to locate automotive accredited schools around Region 2. Through these features of the application allows users to find an accredited schools near them and it displayed the name of the schools on the map marker when it selected.